Guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna be doing an unboxing video for you guys today. As you guys can see, I have the 10th generation pink iPad. I got 64 gigabytes for this iPad. Before I open it, I also want to show you guys this stylus I got. I got a black one. What I like about these is it reminds me of the Apple Pencil. I don't even know how to work the Apple Pencil. And I chose black instead of white, which is like the original Apple Pencil color, obviously. But the reason why I chose black is because the iPad itself is black and there's nothing on the iPad that's white, and I just felt like the white didn't make sense. Oh my god, I just noticed in the picture that the camera was right there. That's so crazy because for my other iPad, the camera was at the bottom, like on the top. So what the heck? I'm already, y'all stop. So here we go. We're gonna start off by pulling these tabs. Alright, y'all, and then this is the moment of truth. Ta-da! Oh my god, I already see like the color at the end, and I'm getting a little worked up. Feeling it and holding it, it definitely feels way heavier than my other iPad. Don't tell me that's the volume. No. This is so pretty. I haven't even looked at the thing yet, and it's so pretty, y'all. Okay, but we're gonna put this down right here for you guys to stare at. I think I just get, you know, my casual Apple stickers. Do they not give out Apple stickers in the iPads? Or is that, oh, okay. This is how the inside looks when you take out the instructions. It comes with this pretty textured charger. I'm really happy. Oh my god, y'all, it's not even like a phone charger, it's a laptop charger, which means it can share a charger with my laptop. So at this point, I just got an extra charger. What the heck? Why is it not a phone charger though? That's so crazy. I kind of want to leave my charger and my headpiece in here just because like my laptop charger is literally right here to charge, you know, my iPad. So it's like I feel like I should wait to use it until I need it. Plus, the stylus I got, this is not an Apple Pencil, it's just like an Apple Pencil lookalike. This is also the charger for my laptop. This was only $36, y'all. That's exactly why I didn't get an Apple Pencil for $100, because I got this for $36. I haven't connected it to nothing yet, so I don't know if it works good, and I've never even used the real Apple Pencil, so I'm probably not going to even tell the difference. The peel starts from the back. I wanted to start off with the front, but I guess we'll start off from the back, y'all. Okay. Y'all see that? It's giving shine. Oh my god. And it actually looks like it's about the same color as my gorgeous pink blanket. So, okay. Let's peel the front. I probably wasn't supposed to peel it like that, but oh well. Y'all, look at that. The way it reflects, they were not lying when they said that this hoe be reflecting. Y'all, look at the power button. Look how big the power button is. I heard that this had a touch bar. I don't know, actually, now that I think about it, I wonder if the power button is the touch bar, because that would explain how big it is. The plug is a laptop charger. That's crazy. This is crazy, y'all. So gorgeous. I ordered me a case for it And I also ordered me a paper thin screen protector, but they're not going to be here until after Christmas, y'all. So I'm just going to have to be very cautious. I feel like I should be fine though. And this is what I was talking about when I said it sticks on here like a real Apple Pencil. Like, I tried it on the other side. Oh my god, this is crazy. But yeah, this is the side it works on. Period, y'all. Oh my god, it's turning on. Okay, y'all, so I'm about to set up my iPad now. Okay, y'all, so I finally figured out my Wi-Fi password. I had to go back in my phone and tell me why I was like way off. Like, tell me why I don't know my own Wi-Fi password, y'all. No, because I know for sure it's not 1129, y'all. Yes, I have cellular data now. Oh my god, I was right. Oh my god, that is the Touch ID. This is so cool. I hope you guys watch this video before getting you an iPad, y'all. I don't know, because a part of me wanted to make this like a new iPad to where I didn't have to worry about apps from my phone like going on here and stuff like that. All right, we got my iCloud. Not now. All right, welcome. Okay, y'all, so this is how the iPad's looking, and I have it set up as a completely new iPad, but it's still gonna give me my FaceTime calls, which I love that it's still connected. But yeah, like, I love the fact that when I go to my pictures, there's no new pictures. I mean, there's no old pictures, like everything's completely new. I do need to go through the iPad and delete some of these apps I know I'm not going to be using and stuff like that. But for now, I'm not even worried about that. We're going to do that later. Right now, we gotta get a cute, why do I want to use my location? Don't allow the fuck. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna get Pinterest on here. iPad anyway, y'all. So let's see how we connect this. I think I double tap it and now it's blue. Oh, it's a replaceable pinhead. That's cool, I guess. Oh my god, y'all, I'm supposed to go to Apple Pen settings, not Bluetooth. What? Okay, it's giving. No, are you serious? Working. Oh my god, y'all. What? All right, y'all, and I don't know, do I want them to send me notifications? I think I'm gonna just say don't allow, only because I know it's gonna go through on my phone. Finding cute wallpapers on here. So I want one that's kind of like exactly on the matching my iPad. That's cute. The Juicy. Like, all my wallpapers to my devices are pink. I just realized that. Pink City aesthetic. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, this bridge, y'all. This bridge, y'all. We're gonna go to, but it saved my photo. Oh, okay, this is actually like super pretty. Yeah, this is a vibe. I like how the bridge is like right under the time. Okay, and I think I'm gonna use this one as my home screen because it's just giving. Like, I love how cute it looks, y'all. So it looks super cute just on the home screen, So this is on. Okay, this is cute for now. I feel like if anything, I'll definitely change it later. Okay, y'all, so that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed my little video of me unboxing this very gorgeous pink iPad. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and check out my other videos, and a what's on my iPad video is coming very soon. And like I said, you know, my wallpaper and everything might look different, who knows. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching again.